If you have a gift card right now, watch this video before you trade it. This will save you money and even prevent you from getting into the hands of scammers. A lot of people lose money on daily basis trying to sell their gift card because they rush to use random websites, trust the wrong people. Some even eventually get scammed of their hard-earned money and gift card. So now here's how to do the right way. Best app to use to trade your gift card. I know you've been coming across a lot of apps and you've been sometimes getting scammed, but this particular app I'm going to show you in this video is the best app. I've been using it since 2024, and since 2024, I have not had one issue of failed card or used card that have been coming through all this while. And they have one of the best rates out there. So this particular app you're seeing on my screen now, this is the very app I use to trade my gift card. You can see this is how the user interface looks like, and I just want to show you their rates. You can see their rates, very wonderful rates. For Apple gift card, for Apple and iTunes card, you can see their rate is 1,226 naira, which you can, which in comparison with other apps out there, you can vouch with me that this app, their rates are very unique. You can see the rate, the result gold is going for 1,099.79 naira. You can see their Steam. The Steam is going for about 1,159 naira. You can see the Nordstorm. Though I haven't traded with any of this card, you can see the Google card. A lot of you have issues trading your Google card, but this particular platform, they trade your Google card for you, and you can see the rate is very unique rate. You can see a couple Xbox card, you can see Vanilla card, Nike, Amazon card, Mastercard, Roblox, GameStop, and a lot other card. And these cards are going for a very good prices. Another reason why I love this particular app, another reason why I like this particular app is that you can see what they have daily rewards. It gives you opportunity for daily rewards. You just log in daily to the app, they give you, you earn in coin, and gradually you can convert this coin to real money. Though I'm going to show you how I'm going to show you my dashboard and all the transactions I've done. Though this is not, this is just like a kind of encouragement, kind of bonus to encourage you to stay on the app. It's not something, it's not a kind of sustainability. So let me go to my wallet. So you can see my wallet. You can see that I've done a lot of transactions with this app. These are my, you have seen I've done 41, I've withdrawn, I've traded 41,000 naira and I've withdrawn it. I've traded 115,000 naira, I've withdrawn it. You can see I've traded 23,000 naira, I've withdrawn it. 36,000 naira. So this particular app I'm showing in this video is, I've used it. It's working for me. So before I end this video, I'm going to be showing you the name of this particular app, because I know most of you don't know the name of this app. I'm going to be showing you the name of this app and how to get it on the Play Store, and the best way to sign up for this particular app so you can get a bonus. So this particular app is available both on your Play Store and your Apple Store. So currently I'm using an iPhone, an Apple phone. So I'm going to my App Store to search for this app. So what I'm going to do, just follow me through so that you're going to see the name of this app and how to sign up on this particular platform. I'm going to go into my Play Store. I've just logged into my App Store, so just wait a little while. Then we'll search for this particular name. Search for this name, CardGo. CardGo. The first app that is going to show up on your Play Store, the first app that is going to show up on your Play Store is the particular, that is the right app. That is the name of the app, CardGo. So you're going to click on it. You're going to click on it, and it's going to be showing you, sign up or login. But since I've already signed up, it's going to show me open. But for you that's a new user, you're going to sign up with your Gmail. It's as easy as ABC. So if you gain value from this video, I just want you to like this video, then also subscribe to my channel if you don't subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell, so when next I drop an amazing update, you're going to be the first to get notified.